Okay, we've got some really good news for all of you here. You're getting this email because call recording access has been activated for you. What that means is you're going to be able to go online and listen to the recordings of the phone calls in and out that your staff have been making. So you can help manage the quality of calls that they are making, and actually also help out with some problems that you might have that get helped out when you listen to a call recording. But anyway, the easy way or the way that you get to listen to your phone calls is to log into the Mitel portal. If you need help with getting there, go ahead and send me back an email. We'll send you a link out. But you should already have your password and login to get into it. Once you are in, what you want to do is hover over where it says home, and then next thing is you'll see call recording. Go ahead and click that. What will happen on your screen is that another box is going to open up, another window is going to open up, and it takes a few minutes for it to go ahead and populate everything up. But you'll see here on my screen I've got a listing of the calls that have come in and out of one of the extensions up here in the BDC. If I want to listen to a call, all I got to do is double click it, and you'll see down here at the bottom of the screen the audio version comes up. You can go ahead and click play, listen to the entire recording. If you need to, you can download it to email to somebody, etc., or you can have your staff listen to it as a coaching moment. You can also then click the button over here that says custom search, and it opens up another search box where you can go ahead and select a specific time frame that you want to find the call. Or if you're looking for a call, you can tell it what extension that you want. You can also come in here and put in a customer phone number. Now, one thing I learned a long time ago is that if I just, for instance, put in, let's say the customer's number was 253-735-1212, for instance. If I click OK to search, nothing's going to come up. What you've got to do is first put in +1 and then the rest of the phone number, and then you'll be able to search and it will give you the results. And you can go ahead and listen to those calls. If you have any questions about how to do any of this, give me a call. My extension is 7402. Or send me back an email and we'll help you out. Thank you.